Alright viewers, let's look at this question together. Two resistors R1 and R2 are connected in parallel where R2 is greater than R1. The combined resistance is dash. Well, these are the options. So using our normal 4G approach system, the topic was drawn from the topic. For the questions were drawn from the topic current electricity. The subtopic is under the arrangement of resistors, where we have the series arrangement, we have the parallel arrangement, as I've explained earlier on. Then we're told to find combined resistance. So then, what's the formula are we going to use, if any, or the way forward? When you have this kind of question, where the first thing to do is to draw out the diagram, which I've already done. We have the resistors arranged in parallel. So parallel arrangement means the resistors are arranged in layers that they are placed on top of each other. So let's assume R1 is 2, R2 is 3. Remember, we're told that R1 is greater than R2 is being greater than R1. R2 is greater than R1. So the combined resistance is dash. So R1 is equal to 2, R2 is equal to 3. Then for combined resistance, and for resistance that are in parallel, we are to reciprocate. That is, you say 1 over R, let's assume our RC is what we don't know and we want to know. 1 over RC is equal to 1 over our R1 is R1 that's supposed to be able R1, where you have R1 you put your 2 plus 1 over, so where you have your, we're supposed to have R2 you put 3. Then you find the LCM. 2 multiplied by 3, that will be 6. 2 in 6, that's 3. 3 in 6, that is 2. So we have 1 over RC, 1 over RC equal to 2 plus 3, that is 5 over 6. So by the time you cross multiply, you have 5 RC is equal to 6. So divide both side by 5. So you have your RC will be equal to, that is a 1, so 5 here, 1, 5 here, 1. So that is 1.2 ohms. Now you now ask yourself, here we have our R1 to be 2, our R2 to be 3, our RC, that is the combined resistance. So that will be 1.2 for instance. So now you now come down here and see which of the statement, which of the option matches with your answers here. You can see if you say it is greater than R1 but less than R2, so this one is not true. Well, the difference of R2 and R1, greater than R1 but less than R2. Our answer is 1.2. Is 1.2 greater than 2? Definitely no. So 1.2 is not even up to 2. So I have. So but less than R2, you can see 1.2 is less than 2 and less than 3. So this one does not work. So difference of R2 and R1. So if you subtract this from this, you get 1, and the answer is 1.2. So it doesn't match as well. The sum of R1 and R2, if you add R1 and R2 together, you are going to get 5, which does not equate to 1.2. The sum of R1 and R2, the greater, except combined is greater than R2. Is it really true that is greater than R2? R2 is 3. Combined resistance, so no, it's lesser and not greater. So, but A says less than R1, less than R1. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, you can see 1.2 is less than R1, which is 2, and equally less than 3. So therefore, A is the correct answer. Thank you very much.